Hello, RingRing here. Welcome to the Kotlin Multiplatform Learning Series for Android engineers. In this video, we will learn about how to use resource files in the shared UI version of the Todo app, which serves as our sample application. So you can obtain the source code for the Todo app from the GitHub URL provided in the description below. In Compose Multiplatform, you can use stringResource and painterResource similar to Android's R file. The difference here is that you need to place them under the composeResources directory. Additionally, you need to set up the library you see in the commonMain source set. You can use strings.xml and drawable files just like you would in Android. That concludes the explanation for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more content on Kotlin Multiplatform.